Hey, this is Jared again, and we're back in the garage working on the squat rack. I'm just going to attach some more lag bolts, or some lag bolts, to the connection. So I had these 90-degree ties here, right angle ties, and I just wanted to be extra, I don't know, extra strong. I'm not an engineer, I'm not a contractor, and I'm just trying to overbuild it. These are 6-inch lag bolts. They're called Spax is the brand, and they say no pre-drilling. I've never worked with them before, and I will tell you that the no pre-drilling was fine to get through this piece, but once it hit here, this piece, it locked up. So I just had to kind of use this ratchet wrench, socket wrench, and back it out, and then kind of go back and forth with my drill. I do have this, I don't know what to call it, it's a light kind of, not contractor grade, but homeowner grade hammer drill. I don't know if I could have done it with just the regular $20 Black & Decker drill, or whatever they cost, the household drill type. So anyways, I'll just show you that, see how it works. It's a little bit harder than I expected, but we might as well show you full disclosure. Let me see if I can set this up here. See if you guys can see it. And I'll do one. See how that works. Okay. Sorry, I had to just go around the van to see if you guys can see it. Putting it up there. And I know I could have turned the camera around, but that doesn't allow you to zoom and so forth. But I didn't zoom anyways. I don't know. There it is. Okay, so let's try this one. And you'll see it'll probably just go just fine until it gets into here. I'm just going to eyeball it. Not too worried about being dead center. I'll be close enough. Okay, so let's see how this goes. And there you can see, goes in real easy, and then it stops. And that noise you heard, if you're not familiar with that, that is the hammer drill setting. It kind of, like a zipper kind of noise. See, I can't even back it out with that right now. So I'll use this. There. Back it out a little bit. That should be enough. Now I'm going to try to back it out a little more. A little more with the drill, and go back in, and it'll just gradually chip away. You know, you got to back it out so you can get a running start. Okay, there we go. All right. If you don't have this kind of drill, I don't know, I hope you can do it. Maybe you can find another video on a better way to do something like that. I'll just stop the video for now. I'm going to do the same thing one more time. And that's it. So like and subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Thank you.